In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 cheapest car insurance companies in the USA for 2025. So if you're tired of high premiums and confusing insurance quotes, stay tuned because this guide will help you save real money. Let's begin with the number one truth. Not all insurance companies charge the same. And even the same driver can receive completely different prices depending on the company. So today I'm reviewing the top affordable options: Geico, State Farm, Progressive, USAA, and Nationwide, explaining what they offer, how much their average monthly rates are, and which type of driver they're ideal for. Geico is usually the cheapest for most Americans, thanks to its massive discount programs including Safe Driver, Military, Federal Employee, and multi-policy bundles. State Farm is the best option for people who want strong customer service along with low prices, especially teen drivers and new drivers who qualify for their good student and steer clear discounts. Progressive is ideal if you want a lower rate based on your driving habits using its Snapshot program, which rewards safe driving with major savings. USAA consistently offers the lowest rates in the country, but it's only available for active military veterans and their families. And finally, Nationwide offers strong accident forgiveness, meaning your rate won't increase after your first accident, something many drivers appreciate. Later in the video, I'll share secret hacks like raising your deductible, removing unnecessary coverage on older cars, shopping quotes every 6 months, and using insurance comparison tools to find your exact cheapest match. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which company fits your budget, how to avoid overpaying, and how thousands of Americans are reducing their car insurance bills in 2025.